whatever morphic anthropology coming up saying humans were, we came out of nowhere or evolution 170,000 years ago in Africa. You would have heard of out of Africa stories. So then we migrated from Africa, and you can see that one single line coming out of Africa and going somewhere close to Middle East. And then something happens, and suddenly humans seems to be becoming intelligent and started speaking a language. Like probably there was only one language before, something happened and people moved around. So the question is like around 100,000 years ago, right? So the between 100,000 and 65,000 years is when this language thing happened to humans. So until then, it's proven that we were purely like ape men, just having basic syllables, did not have a full-fledged language. So the reason I'm saying all this is an open question still in the world. Like, what happened to humans around 100,000 years ago? How did we understand or come up with this whole idea of intelligence and language? And this is one of the answers towards creating an intelligent being yourself. So if you think about it, like there were two major schools of thought about the origin of language at that time. The first one was, even now people say, hey, maybe humans just evolved across centuries and we developed the morphological, anatomical, and the intellectual need for creating a language.